every brother that's caught in the crossfire.
Hello everyone, Jason Olea back here again, and today we'll be talking about the new teaser poster that had just been released for Birds of Prey and the fabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn. Damn, that's a long title. I'm not going to do that when I review that and title it. So, what I think of this poster, I think it's pretty good and really is kind of what we are going to expect from this film. Much more lighthearted than, say, the first few entries of the DCEU, and is very Harley Quinn focused. And I really like the vibe it's going for it, what the movie is trying to be. We get to see the characters like Huntress, Black Canary, Black Mask. Please just show us the mask. I'm sure they're going to show us the mask, but Ewan McGregor, I'm happy as Black Mask. I just want to see Black Mask in the Black Mask. Okay, just show us that. Stop teasing us. And we get Cassandra Cain, who's like a Batgirl at one point, and this random dude in the background that looks like a member of Maroon 5. Jesus Christ, I have no idea what that character is. And we see a rainbow background. We see Harley Quinn, very focused, and also a flying Harley Quinn. And all the characters have like bird wings to make the birds of prey. So that's a little thing there. Honestly, I like this teaser poster. I think this is an indication that, one, the movie is going to be lighthearted and really funny, and two, a trailer is going to show up at one point. I think maybe next week with the Joker. That has to be the point where they have to release the trailer for that, because it's Harley Quinn and the Joker. Release the Harley Quinn trailer with the Joker. Marketing strategy, perfect. Don't do that. Wasted opportunity. I don't think Warner Brothers is going to be stupid enough to do that. I think we're going to get a trailer next week now that they wrapped up shooting and much of the special effects are done. And we saw a little teaser with It Chapter 2. So we're definitely going to get a trailer sometime, probably around October. And by then, the marketing will kick off and we'll get a lot of stuff surrounding Harley Quinn again. And everybody's going to dress up like her for Halloween. Once again. Anyway guys, what do you think of the poster in the comments down below? Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.
So heaven, if you sent us down, so we could